Welcome back, viewers. You're watching The Savera and I'm Shefali. A major fire broke out late night at a paint manufacturing factory located in the Sanavar Road industrial area of Indore, causing loud explosions that were heard across the Wind City. According to local authorities, the fire was reported at around 3 a.m. at the factory identified as MBD, which produces various types of paint using a range of chemical compounds. The chemicals stored in the factory are believed to have caused the repetitive explosions that were heard inside the drum, significantly complicating firefighting efforts. Upon receiving the alert, fire engines from Lakshmibai Nagar and Sanavar Road were dispatched immediately, following the additional units from Dipalpur, Pemta, Maho, Pritampur and the surrounding areas. The total more than 9 municipal firefighting vehicles along with 90 water tanks were deployed to bring the blaze under control. 5 foam-laden fire trucks were also brought in from Pritampur to tackle the chemical-intensive fire. The flames initially proved difficult to control due to the highly flammable chemicals present in the factory. To aid the containment effort, the municipal corporation brought in a JCB machine which was used to break down walls and allow water to be poured directly inside, helping firefighters douse the core of fire more effectively. Smoke continued to billow from several sections of the factory even after hours of firefighting. A team from the State Disaster Response Force were deployed to assist in rescue operations, ensuring that any worker trapped inside could be evacuated safely. Local police and district administration officials were also present on site, coordinating with firefighting teams and ensuring safety measures in the surrounding area. The fire not only consumed a large quantity of chemicals but also destroyed significant amounts of raw material stored for paint production. Authorities have stated that an investigation into the cause of the fire will be conducted once the blaze is fully extinguished. Fortunately, there has been no immediate reports of casualties, but the incident has caused substantial property damage and disrupted operations in the industrial zone. Fire officials have warned that due to the chemical nature of the materials involved, hotspots may continue to flare up and teams will remain on site for extended monitoring and cooling operations. Residents in the nearby areas are advised to stay indoors and avoid inhaling the thick smoke emanating from the factory. Listen to what he has to say on this.
ये आग आपको सूचना 2 बजे मिली थी। 2 बजे क्या MPD मंत्र का है कि ये कंपनी का नाम है और सेक्टर ए 2 बजे सूचना मिली थी कि वहाँ केमिकल की फैक्ट्री में आग लगी है। तो तत्काल मतलब क्या है कि यहाँ पर आप फायर के क्या तत्काल हम फायर की गाड़ी लेकर के आए, देखिए आग ज़्यादा है तो तुरंत मतलब क्या है कि और गाड़ी बुलवाई गई सभी। कुल 13 गाड़ियाँ हमारे यहाँ लगी, इसमें 13 गाड़ियाँ लगी थी और चारों तरफ से मतलब क्या है गाड़ियों को मतलब क्या है घेर लिया गया था गाड़ियों से। तो आग को पूरा वहीं नियंत्रण मतलब क्या कर लिया था। जो लपटें 2 बजे से उठी थी 4 बजे तक लपटें 4:30 बजे तक लपटें कंट्रोल होगी थी और इसमें अभी भी काम चल रहा है। इसमें श्रीमान आयुक्त महोदय कमिश्नर साहब भी मौजूदा में थे तो वो भी आए थे। इसमें लगभग 100 टैंकर पानी लग चुका है और फॉर्म लगा है और अभी आग का कार्य चालू है। ये मतलब क्या है कि कारण का कोई मालूम नहीं पड़ा है। केमिकल की फैक्ट्री थी, इसमें मतलब क्या है कि जो ऑयल पेंट बनता है उसका रॉ मटेरियल बनता था। इसमें टीनर वीनर ऑयल सब मतलब का इसमें पूरा होता है। तो जनहानि वगैरह नहीं, जनहानि में कुछ नहीं है। हाँ, एक ही फैक्ट्री में आग लगी है और तो चारों तरफ से मतलब क्या है कि गोदाम था, बीड़ी का गोदाम था, पीछे बियर की थी बराबर में तो 2-3 फैक्ट्री थी वो सेव कर ली गई थी। उनकी तरफ आग नहीं बढ़ी। टैंकर 100 टैंकर के लगभग 100 टैंकर के लगभग पानी लग चुका है। अभी भी जारी है, कार्य जारी है। अभी चलेगा, अभी 2-3 घंटे और चलेगा। बलजीत सिंह हुड्डा, सब इंस्पेक्टर बलजीत सिंह हुड्डा, पुलिस फायर ब्रिगेड, सवेरा रोड, इंदौर।
That's all for now on this update. Stay tuned to The Savera, download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.